Are you in the market for a proper podcast microphone? Then this is the Maono AU-A04T. Let's see what's inside the box and how easy it is to set it up. Hi everyone, welcome to IoT Ixis on Tech. Thank you very much for joining me today. On today's episode, we have the Maono AU-A04T, a proper, really professional looking podcasting microphone kit. So I'm going to unbox this, plug it into the old PC by there, obviously record some bits in Audacity, and then compare the audio quality. So typical Maono, this is a proper professional microphone kit. So what does it have? Well, of course, it's going to have hi-fi quality sound. It's got a 60mm big condenser diaphragm. So that means it's going to pick up loads when you're talking. Really good quality. What else has it got? A 30 Hz to 16 kHz wide frequency response range. So you could even sit this on a table, play your guitar, musical instrument, and it's going to pick up every note really clearly and really defined as well. Plug and play, obviously, with USB connectivity, and it's got a full metal case and a really hefty metal solid base as well. So let's open the box and see what we get inside of here. Very well padded as well, by the way. So you get a little happy card, you get some instructions, you get a crumpled up wind foam, you get, that looks a very long USB cable. I will be measuring this in a moment. You get the microphone holder, elastic suspension, so plonk that over there. There's one part of the stand, height adjustable by the looks of it. Yeah, cool. And of course, the microphone, the solidly built Maono microphone. So what else do we got in here? Let's lift up this bit. Underneath there we have, pop filter. The little thread so you can clamp it onto your stand, and of course then the hefty metal base. So this just, that is quite heavy, just screws into the base like so. I shall take the mic out of there. I should set this on top of there. There we go, just so you can see what I'm doing. Next, I'm scared that's going to roll off. We have the little microphone holder, so that just threads onto the top. Let's move that up a little bit. There we go. Doesn't matter which way you put it down, I don't suppose. No, doesn't matter. And all you do to get the microphone to sit in there is to squeeze the two arms together and then gently place your microphone in. Always make sure that the Maono sign is facing towards you, because this is a cardioid microphone, which means it picks up fantastically from the front, a little bit from the sides, and not that much from the back. So it's perfect for directional vocal, for example. Pop filter, that's nice and bendy, naturally. So this you can place anywhere, I guess. I'm going to plonk it down the bottom. Ooh. That looks so cool. Wind shield, we won't bother with that. Right, let's see how long the cable is. As is typical IoT tradition, everybody knows. From there to there on me is exactly 1 meter, 3.3 feet. So that's 1 meter. Ooh, 2 meters. Wow, very generous with the cable, 2.5 meters. So this is a USB-A, typical USB-A that plugs into your computer part, and then a USB-B part that plugs into the bottom of the microphone. There we go, plugged in, brilliant, eh? Right, let's plug this into the PC and we'll give it a couple of sound tests. Okay, so there we go, finally got it to work with my Windows. For some reason Audacity was playing up a little bit. So here we go, I am now recording with the Maono AU-A04T microphone. How do you think this sounds compared to my lavalier microphone? Now, my lavalier microphone, loads of people have commented, oh, what mic are you using? It sounds amazing. Well, I just bought one of these cheap ones off eBay, and it goes through the Comica CVM AX 3 there, and that just really makes the sound quality. I think the tone of the sound that this microphone records sound really good. So what do you think compared to the Maono one then? I'm going to do the usual sibilance thing, so specifically say 6 specific statistics. And as what's his name? Scrapyard Films, Josh of Scrapyard Films. The T's, P's and the S's. The T's, P's and the S's. Thank you, Josh, for teaching me that. So I'm going to move the pop filter out the way. Very easy to move out the way, by the way. So this is one of those cheap IKEA desks, you know, £16 here in the UK. I did use this the other day, and I did find that, you know, lots of bangs, you can really see it. Now, one thing I would recommend that you do is, because this is just a pure metal base, I would maybe put this on like a coaster, or even maybe just use the packaging, put that on there. So it's drastically reduced the sound coming through the table. This is just my table though. If you're using like a solid wood table, I don't think you get these problems, to be honest. But this microphone, as with all Maono microphones, it sounds fantastic. It sounds absolutely fantastic. So I'm going to hit stop. I'm going to have a listen back, and I'll be back in a few moments. Wow, that sounds really good. I'm listening to it through my Mission speakers here with a Kenwood amp, AV receiver underneath the desk on that side. And it sounds really good. So what would you use this sort of microphone for? Well, look at it. It looks the part, doesn't it? Proper, there we go. Proper podcasting, gaming. You can maybe have this in, well, I don't know if you can maybe have it in front of your keyboard. But Zoom meetings, Teams meetings, video conferencing, stuff like that. I used it on my Teams at my day job. This isn't my day job, unfortunately. But in my day job, we use Microsoft Teams like every day for meetings. At the end of the day, during the day, have manager meetings and stuff like that. I use this, and I sound the best. I sound the best on the team. People using their little earphones from their mobile phones. Rubbish. Me, got constant audio quality. Really high quality audio as well coming from this. So where can you buy this microphone, I hear you saying? Well, of course, the usual place, Amazon. Now click the video description below if you'd like to buy this. Thank you very much to Maono for sending me out the wonderful AU-A04T podcast desktop USB microphone set. So don't forget, if you like this video, then please give us a thumbs up. If you didn't, hit that thumbs down button twice. Would you like one of these microphones? You never know, I might do another giveaway in the future. What do you think? Drop us a comment below if you think I should do another giveaway, because I got a couple of microphones stacking up in the shop now. Stacking up in the shop? Nah, stacking up in the studio, I meant to say. So thank you once again for watching today's episode of IoT Exists on Tech. Thank you once again for watching, and I'll catch you again on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.